to the next, that is a revocation of patent. So, we have seen section 62 which is related to lapse patent, and then the foreign vessel 49. Okay. 47 we have seen situations where there is no like in certain situations your invention will not like work, that it is caveat kind of a thing is there. So, section 47, section 48 is like a rights, it is a important sections. Okay. Now, revocation of patents, there are a list is there that for the revocation of patent, you can just check here, we will go quickly in that. Okay. Claimed in a valid claim of earlier priority date contained in the complete specification of another patent granted in India. So, it is like a simple thing that if I filed patent and it is already claimed in a valid claim of a earlier priority date, prior art like novelties are affected. So, obviously, you can revoke it. That the patent was granted on the application of person not entitled under the provisions of this